Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the hardware and software. Make sure both LinkBuds S are in the case and the case lid is open. You charge them to at least 20% so nothing interrupts pairing. Then, enable Bluetooth on your phone and temporarily disconnect other headsets to avoid conflicts. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app. Once launched, you'll use it to control pairing steps and firmware. Now keep the case open and stay on the app. You're about to trigger pairing mode. Once done, press and hold the touch sensors or follow the app's on-screen instruction to enter Bluetooth pairing. LEDs should flash white or blue. Make sure you allow the app permissions it requests, because location and Bluetooth access help it detect the buds. Choose LinkBuds S in the app list, then accept the phone system pairing prompt when it appears. If the app asks to update firmware, schedule it now. Updates fix performance and connectivity, so do not skip them. You finish by confirming audio plays and checking both buds for stereo sound. Use the app's audio test if available. If you want multiple devices, pair each through your phone or device Bluetooth settings after initial setup. If pairing fails, reset the LinkBuds S. Place them in the case, hold the reset sequence as shown in the manual until LEDs blink, then retry pairing. If issues persist, reboot your phone and try again. That clears Bluetooth cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.